Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's dive into the process of upgrading your HP 250 G8 laptop. First, you will need some essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. Start by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Then, remove the back panel. To do this, locate the screws on the back of the laptop. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take these out. Keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. Once all the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to assess the cleanliness of the interior. Dust can accumulate inside and affect performance. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and circuitry. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's focus on upgrading the RAM. Locate the RAM slots, which are often near the center of the laptop. If you're adding RAM, simply insert the new module at a 30-degree angle and press down until it clicks into place. If you're replacing it, release the clips on either side of the existing RAM and gently remove it before inserting the new one. After upgrading the RAM, check for additional storage options. The HP 250 G8 typically supports an M.2 SSD. If you're planning to upgrade your storage, find the M.2 slot. Remove the screw holding the M.2 drive in place, insert the new SSD at an angle, and secure it with the screw. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easier to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of traveling. Just reach out to us, and we can handle the rest. Once your upgrades are complete, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace all screws you previously removed and ensure they are tightened securely but not over-tightened. Finally, power on your laptop. Enter the BIOS to check if the new RAM and SSD are recognized. If they are, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your HP 250 G8. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance, as we can provide a quote before any repair work. With these upgrades, your HP 250 G8 should perform significantly better, enabling you to tackle more demanding tasks with ease. Remember, our services include no calls, no travel, and we are here to help you get the best out of your technology. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.